is going to try to do what we never get done here. He's going to try to flip this thing on the sideways flip. Now hoppers are pretty easy if you got it rigged right to get them to stand straight up. But dancers are difficult to flip. So if everything goes just right, we're going to get it done. Try to turn around, put the back end off the driveway. These are moves in our dancing competitions that they have to go through. Front, back, all the pieces, all four wheels off the ground. Then side to side is the difficult one, just like that. Uh-oh, he got it leaning. He's going to be careful because he doesn't want to break it. He wants to get that lean. Look at that. Uh-oh. Y'all make some noise, let him hear about it. We wanted to flip this thing so bad for our buddy Mark that he came up here on his own nickel just to do it as a tribute. Oh! Oh! Come on, baby. Yeah! Yeah! Oh! Some love, we got it burning. Come on, hey, let's turn the son of a gun over, come on.
Oh, it's going over now.
There you go, baby! Yeah!
Yeah! Woo! Yeah, baby! Yeah, baby! Woo! Right now we got to turn it back over.
Good time for what?
Hold that right here, man. Back up just a minute, please. Come here, wait, let me.
If you want to get a picture, you can come on the track and take a selfie. Come on. If you want to get your picture with it, come on. Take a picture with your buddy. Anybody wants to do that, come on real quick. Get a picture. That was fun as crap right there. That was fun. Let's turn it over. We ain't. Oh, was awesome.
I got another coming in my budget. I got another in my budget. Don't bullshit. Everybody on the board. Let's see. On the board, on the board. I like it. I love it. And the girls, they can't touch it.